Alright, for task 4, we'll be using the PKI and certificate infrastructure. So in this section, basically, we'll explore how the PKI and certificate can be used by a web server to secure web browsing. So the first step is to enter sudo nano /etc/hosts, which is the directory. So basically, in this directory, we enter the SAT, no, 127.0.0.1 SAT4812 server.com, which is domain name. And so I'll show you where exactly I entered that information. Show you that it worked. And again, you need this in order for the security page to pop up. Otherwise, you get cannot connect to server, and that's wrong. So you have to make sure you enter it correctly. So let's system, and then go to host. And so I'm just showing you that I entered this because I already typed in all the commands regarding task 4, so I'm just showing you that I did it step by step. So there we go. And it should say 127 SAT4812 server.com. Oh, scroll up. This is really slow. Excuse me. And there it is. Let's exit out of that. Alright, and so next we will launch a simple web server. So basically, I will enter the CP server key right here, server.pem, and then CAT server.crt. And then basically what this does is it combines the secret key and certificate into one file. And you have to make, oh yeah, just word of advice, make sure you're in the lab02 directory, otherwise this will not work. And then next step is to launch the simple web server, the web server being HTTP server. So we have to type in this command to launch the HTTP server, which is right here. And then what we do is we go to Firefox. Find it. I already did this. And you get a page, you get something like this. And basically, the certificate is not trusted because there's no issue chain. The issue chain was not provided. So basically, what we have to do is we have to perform steps in Firefox. And so from here, you will see a list of certificates from basically you go to edit, and I'll show you that. Preferences. And you click view certificates. And then basically what you have to do from here is you import the ca.crt onto Firefox's certificate repository. And then that way you'll open up this page. If you do not do that, then basically you keep on getting this guy, or this guy. And then the last thing I did was restore the original server.pem file to start HTTPS server using OpenSSL, so the server commands. So I did all that, and then I typed in the URL SAT4812 server, localhost, etc. And basically these are all associated with the same URL. And you will not gain access. You get something like this. You'll get this page once you do all that. And that is the end of task number 4.